Now this isn't creepy. Hey, it's Jeff, Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. Today is Thursday, September 15th, 2022, and I'm at Kilo 5724, Prime Hook State Wildlife Area. Go ahead, jump in here and then jump out because I don't think we're supposed to be here because we don't have a conservation permit. We're just sitting in the parking area, but still, I don't know about this, and we're not really doing much, but just getting on the air, so we'll see what happens. Stick around, find out what's going to happen. Frequency in use. This frequency in use. Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. This frequency in use. CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. CQ Parks on the air from Kilo 5724, Prime Hook State Wildlife Area. CQ Parks on the air. Park to park. Go ahead. Echo Alpha 1, Golf India Bravo. Hey there, it's been a while. You're probably about a 4-5 manual. 4-5 to Delaware, Kilo 5724 QSL. QSL 55 from Spain. Thank you for the contact again. Have a good day, 73. Bye. 73. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Alpha Charlie 2 Victor.
Alpha Charlie 2 Victor, you're a 5-9 here to Delaware, Kilo 5724 QSL.
QSL the 5-9, you're 5-9 to Central Florida, 73, and enjoy your trip there, Jeff.
All right, thanks a lot. This is number 6, so hopefully I can get through a few more. We'll see. Again, 73. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Kilo 9 Alpha Bravo Romeo.
Kilo 9 Alpha Bravo Romeo, you're a 5-9 here to Delaware, Kilo 5724.
QSL, I also have you 5-9, 59 into Illinois at 73 in Gillette.
All right, thanks a lot. 73. QRZ Parks on the air.
Kilo November 9 Echo. Yaesu Victor Delta.
All right, the Victor Delta station, 1 minute. Kilo November 9 Echo, QSL.
QSL, you're a 5-7 in the Northeast Illinois this afternoon.
QSL, the 5-7, you're a 5-8 here to Delaware, Kilo 5724, 5724, QSL.
QSL, thanks for the activation.
Thanks for the contact, 73. QRZ Parks on the air. This is, actually there was a Delta Victor station, I believe it was.
Victor Delta. We've got you at about a 5-2 to a 5-3 here in Central Colorado.
All right, can I get your call sign again?
Kilo Foxtrot 6, Yankee Victor Delta.
Kilo Foxtrot 6, Yankee Victor Delta. Steve, thanks for contact. You're probably about 5-6 here to Delaware, Kilo 5724 QSL.
Full workload now that I'm picking up, so hopefully you copied the call sign of Kilo Foxtrot 6, Yankee Victor Delta.
QSL, Kilo Foxtrot 6, Yankee Victor Delta. Thank you for the contact. And 73.
Kilo go 4, Whiskey X-ray uniform.
X-ray uniform again, please.
Kilo go 4, Whiskey X-ray uniform.
Kilo Golf 4, Whiskey X-ray uniform. You're a 5-9 here to Delaware, Kilo 5724 QSL.
QSL, about a 5-7 here in Tennessee.
All right, thanks for the contact from Tennessee. Have a good day, 73. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Kilo Bravo 0, Sierra Victor Yankee Mobile.
Kilo Bravo 0, Sierra Victor Yankee, QSL.
Roger, roger. You got your 5757 Mobile, Missouri. Thanks for another one.
You're quite welcome. Thanks for the contact. You're 57 from to Delaware 5724. 5724 QSL.
Yep, got the 57 in the park. Thanks a lot.
Thanks for the contact. 73. QRZ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu.
Kilo Delta 9, November, Juliet.
Mr. Shane, there he is. I'll give you another 57 to Kilo 5724. Prime Hook State Wildlife Area.
Hey, thanks for the 57. I'm glad I'm able to follow you on this little roll of yours. You're about 5'2", 5'3" here in Wisconsin this time. Keep up the great work and have fun out there. 73.
All right, thanks for the contact again, Shane. Talk to you soon. And 73. Prime Hook State Wildlife Area. CQ Parks on the air.
Here's Kilo Delta 4, India Mike Alpha.
Kilo Delta 4, India Mike Alpha. Hello there, Mark. You're a 5'7" here to Delaware, Kilo 5724.
All right, thank you for the 57. And you are a 5'5". 5'5" here. I'm mobile in middle of Alabama somewhere. And there's a lot of road noise. And thanks for activating the park.
Thank you for the contact. Have a good day. Drive safe in 73. This is Kilo 3, Juliet Romeo Zulu. CQ Parks on the air.
Whiskey 5, Bravo, Charlie, Alpha.
Whiskey 5, Charlie Bravo Alpha, QSL.
Yes, Whiskey 5, Bravo, Charlie, Alpha. You're 5'3", Tango X-ray.
All right, Whiskey 5, Bravo, Charlie Alpha. You're a 5'5" here to Delaware, Kilo 5724, QSL.
QSL, thank you for the 5'5". Again, 5'3", Tango X-ray, and thank you for activating.
All right, thank you for the 5'3" from Texas and being number 10 at stop number 6 today. Have a good day, and 73.
73.
All right, guys, this is K3 JRZ, Kilo 3 Juliet Romeo Zulu. I'm going QRT and moving to park number 7. Please look for me again on the spotting page. Thank you very much. This is K3 JRZ going QRT. QRZ again. Kilo Papa 6, Golf November Juliet, QSL.
Sierra Papa 6, Golf November Juliet. Sierra Papa 6, Golf.
Sierra Papa 6, Golf November Juliet, QSL.
5 and 5,
QSL, thank you for the contact, DX. You're a 5'4" to Delaware, Kilo 5724. 5724, Prime Hook State Wildlife Area in Delaware.
Thank you for you one. All the best. 73.
All right, thank you for the contact again. Have a good night, 73. Again, this is Kilo 3 Juliet Romeo Zulu going QRT. I am off to stop number 7. Thanks, guys, 73.
Thank you, 73. Bye-bye. Whiskey 0, Sierra Kilo.
Gotta go, guys. Thank you, everyone, for the contacts. I got 4 more parks I need to do. I need to hit stop number 7, which is 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 more parks to do. 4 more parks to do. Appreciate all the contacts. I wish I could stay longer, but I want to hit all these parks before it gets too late. Please click the like button if you like this video. Please click subscribe. Please click the notification bell. And please leave a comment down below. Tell me what you thought of this video and this activation. Thanks for watching, guys. 73 and be safe. Anyone? Anyone? CQ Parks on the air. CQ Parks on the air. This is Kilo 3 Juliet Romeo Zulu.